Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's and it's just £20 a year to tax. This car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done 21,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.